Hello everyone, welcome to Designer Square by O Homes. I am Asmi Vijayavargiya and in today's video we will be discussing how we can pair up the contrasting dark shades with the lighter shades and how we can create this contrasting yet a harmonious balanced look inside of the house by pairing these two completely different shades with each other and which shades would go well together. So let's get into it. I hope you enjoy this video. So let's move with the first combination, which is navy blue and soft beige. Navy blue is a bold, rich shade that excludes sophistication, while soft beige brings warmth and a sense of openness. This combination works beautifully in living rooms, bedrooms, and even kitchens. You can paint a navy blue accent wall behind the bed or use it for cabinetry in a kitchen, and then you can pair it with beige walls or countertops, so it gives this warming yet very rich vibe inside of the house. Navy blue sofas or armchairs can be put up against beige walls to give this stunning shade and stunning combination inside of the house, which will add to the depth without overwhelming the space. And you can also incorporate textures like linen curtains or jute rugs to balance the intensity of daily color. Next is the forest green and pale peach color combination. So this color combination works well because the forest green is inspired by nature. Forest green adds a grounding, earthy vibe inside of the house, while pale peach softens the intensity with a touch of warmth. This combination works beautifully in bohemian, eclectic, or mid-century modern interiors, and the use of forest green for a statement wall or cabinetry in a cozy reading nook or dining space can be done, and even pair it with pale peach furniture such as the soft upholstered sofa or bedding inside of the rooms. You can add the wooden textures, rattan decor, and you can also have glass elements inside of the room which will enhance its all natural appeal. Green plants complement this palette, which will make the place feel fresh and lively. A mix of matte and glossy finishes in decor can create depth inside of it, and this combination brings a sense of calm and creativity to any space you will work in. Now that we've talked about pale peach, let's also talk about the deep burgundy and light blush pink combination. So deep burgundy is a rich and luxurious color, while blush pink brings a soft and romantic feel inside of the house. Together, they create an elegant and sophisticated ambience which is perfect for vintage, art deco, or contemporary interiors. A burgundy accent wall in a dining room or bedroom, it adds a bold statement, while the blush pink upholstery and curtains will also keep the space light and airy altogether. You can include gold or brass accents such as mirror frames or pendants, which will add a regal touch inside of the rooms. You can have soft textures like velvet cushions or having silk drapes which enhance the luxurious feel into it. This pairing works well in bedrooms, which creates a cozy yet stylish retreat, and in open spaces use burgundy in smaller furniture pieces to prevent it from overpowering the room. Layering different shades of pink within the decor will create a cohesive look altogether, which is why the shades deep burgundy and light blush pink go really well together and give this very pretty, charming, romantic, and lively yet luxurious vibe into the house. Enough about pink, let's talk about a dark teal and muted mustard color combination, which would go perfectly well together because dark teal is a deep and dramatic color, while muted mustard adds a vintage warm touch. This combination is perfect for eclectic, boho, or retro inspired interiors. A dark teal accent wall in a living room or bedroom, it creates a cozy, intimate vibe inside of the room. While mustard colored furniture or decor elements like throw pillows or curtains, they bring warmth inside of the room, because vintage wooden furniture pairs beautifully with these shades also. And the teal and mustard can also work in a kitchen with having teal cabinets and mustard colored backsplash tiles. So artwork with both hues can tie the look together. Adding black or white elements keeps the palette from feeling too overwhelming, and this combination is perfect for creating a bold yet balanced look. Now let's move on to the chocolate brown and warm top shades. So these color combination is a one of a kind unique one, as the chocolate brown is a rich and grounding color, while the warm top is adds a neutral and sophisticated touch inside of it. So this combination is ideal for creating cozy, inviting spaces, particularly in rustic, modern farmhouse or Scandinavian interiors. You can use chocolate brown for wooden elements like furniture or beams, while top walls or textile, they keep the space feeling open. A brown leather sofa with top throw pillows, it creates a balanced seating area inside of the room, and these interiors go really well together. Layering different textures like wool, linen or distressed wood adds a depth to the design. So soft lighting enhances the warmth of these tones. So if you want to create a harmonious look into it, you should also include soft lighting, because brown and top, they work well in bedrooms, and you do want this harmonious and soft vibe inside of the bedroom, as it would be a place for you to relax, and it gives you this relaxing retreat vibes also, because the overall effect is a timeless organic aesthetic that feels both elegant and comforting to the person who will look into this. Now let's move on to the purple combination, which is of plum purple and pale grey. So these two colors would pair well very greatly together, as plum purple is deep and regal, while pale grey keeps the palette sophisticated and airy. This combination is perfect for modern, glamorous or transitional interiors. A plum colored sofa or bed frame against pale grey walls creates a dramatic yet harmonious contrast. Grey curtains or bedding with subtle plum accent tie the look together very well, as these metallic elements also included, like you can include silver or gold, so they enhance the elegance of this pairing. Adding glass or mirror decor pieces help reflect light inside of the house, and it prevents the space from feeling too dark. As plum purple is a dark color and pale grey is also sort of a dark color, but it's not a dark shade, as it is more of a light shade also, but they are pretty suffocating. That is why including mirror elements and decor pieces will help reflect the light inside of the house, and overall it creates this rich luxurious ambience without feeling overwhelming if you know how to pair these two color combination right. So this combination will work really well with dining rooms with plum colored upholstered chairs and also a grey table. So make sure that while including these two colors, you know how to perfectly decorate the interior inside of the house, so you can have this harmonious yet contrasting effect, while also making sure that the space doesn't get overwhelming or suffocating inside of it. Now let's talk about the luxurious jewel and jewelry themed colors like emerald green and soft gold, as they are these luxurious powerful colors which just scream of richness, wealth and elegance, at least to me. So emerald green is a vibrant and jewel tone shade which exudes a sense of authority, while soft gold it adds a touch of luxury inside of it. This combination is perfect for art deco, modern classic or eclectic interiors, as it has this very eclectic and very energetic vibe inside of it. A deep emerald accent wall in a living room or dining area adds drama and sophistication. You can have gold flame mirrors, lighting fixtures, or furniture accent which enhance the opulence of the space overall, as it would go really well together and it would make the space look really rich and wealthy. The green velvet upholstery on chairs or sofas can be paired with poolside tables, which will create a high-end feel inside of the room. And you can layer different shades of green within textiles, like having cushions and rugs. So this all together will add a depth. You can have the shade in your dressing room, so you can have the upholstered green emerald colored chairs inside of the room and have the gold mirror to have this sense of luxury while getting ready and dressing up. This pairing works well in bathrooms too, with emerald green tiles and gold fixtures for a lavish look. It's overall a bold, striking combination that makes any space feel upscale altogether, and you should definitely look into it. Now let's discuss the last color combination, which is deep indigo and off-white. So this deep indigo and off-white colors would go really well together, and they would create this really good vibe inside of the house. How? Let's look into it. By first, deep indigo is a bold and moody color, while off-white keeps things fresh and balanced. So you can have this harmonious vibe just by adding white off-white elements into a deep indigo room. This combination works well in coastal, modern or contemporary interiors, like an indigo accent wall which could be paired with off-white furniture or even with bedding. It creates a clean yet dramatic look. As indigo kitchen cabinets with off-white countertops, they add depth inside of the kitchen while also maintaining its brightness, because deep indigo is a pretty dark shade. So you can include textures like linen, rattan can soften the contrast while making the space feel more inviting inside of it, as they provide with this homey vibes into the room. And you can incorporate blue and white pattern decor pieces also, like cushions or rugs, for a subtle nod to the Mediterranean aesthetic if you're into that. Having gold or black accents in lighting and furniture, they add a refined touch inside of the room also. So you can have this deep indigo and off-white look with having gold and black accented furniture inside of the room, and you can have blue and white pattern decor pieces, so it will have this refined yet Mediterranean vibe inside of the room, as it will overall give into this timeless pairing, as it brings depth and sophistication and it does not overwhelm the space. So that's all for today. I hope you like this video. Please like the video and hit the subscribe button so you can stay tuned for more. Have a great day ahead.